Hi there everyone. MAM School of Engineering, Department of Mechatronics Engineering, online classes. So subject robotics and machine vision system, unit number 2. There is unit number 2, robot interfaces. So robot application depend on the which type of end effector we are going to use in the robot. Okay, so end effector means we have two types of end effector. One is grippers, another one is gripper tools. Okay, in this unit we are going to discuss about different kind of grippers, gripper types, then gripper mechanism, then gripper force analysis, then tools of end effectors, like that we are going to discuss in the unit number 2. So first, what is end effector? Okay, the device that attaches to the wrist of the robot arm and enables the general purpose robot to perform a specific task. Okay, this is the definition of end effector. There are two types. One is gripper, another one is tools. Gripper means to grasp and manipulate objects, example parts during the work cycle. So this is the gripper types. Then tools to perform a process. To perform a process. Example, spot welding, spray painting, like that. Okay. So these are the two types of end effectors. So first we will see the grippers. Okay. So types of grippers. So mechanical finger grippers with a single and dual. So multiple gripper, expandable gripper, internal gripper and external gripper. So collect gripper, vacuum gripper. So fragile object grippers, electromechanical grippers, then support grippers, then expandable grippers. These are the common types of gripper. So mechanical gripper means it is used the some actuation process there, like the hydraulic, pneumatic, then cam and follower process, like that they are using the different operations to pick and place the object. So mechanical finger grip means single and dual. Using single finger or dual finger, we can pick and place the robot. Single handle means this is the bottom side. It will fix the uh, finger and upward and downward directions. So multiple gripper means we are using more number of fingers. So in the gripper. Then expandable gripper means we can extend the uh, n number of links between the input and output. Okay. Then internal gripper. So internal gripper now, if you want to pick up the pipe, okay, using the internal inner circuit, so that is internal gripper. So external gripper means if you want to uh, pick a ball or some round objects, like that, we are using the external grip to fix the multiple point gripping process. That is external process. Then collect grabbers. So collect grabbers are mainly used in the manufacturing process. That is for collecting the material from one line to another line. Okay, we will see the videos of these grippers in the next slides. Okay, then vacuum grippers. So for most of the devices are pick and place device by backup. Okay. For example, if you are using glasses means we can pick and place the single fingers. Okay. So that type they are using the backup. So this vacuum pipes used in the different surface. N number of vacuum tips used for the depend on the uh, vacuum. Sorry, depend on the surface of the glasses or some other material. Okay, that is vacuum grippers using airflow. We can get the material. So fragile object gripper. So that is a smooth gripper which is handle only the glasses and fragile objects. Then electromechanical grippers. That is electromechanical grippers means using the magnetic gripper. Okay, using magnetic process, For permanent magnet and electromagnet, we can define the different grippers, as well as support grippers used for the different application. Then expandable grippers like that, they are using for the general purpose grippers. Let's see one video. So the simple mechanism of the this one. Let's do this is the one of the robot that work in a pick and place operation. This is the another type of gripper. So these are the types of grippers. So in this video, this piston will produce the pick and place operations with respect to the cam and follower or some other mechanical movement. So this is another example. This is the single type gripper. So that is one finger is fixed, another finger is movable. This is also dual type fingering grippers. This is the another type of mechanical gripper. So these are the main concept of interfactor. So tools means it depend on the application we can use. For example, for paint remover, we need to use a different tool. For painting, we need to use the different tool like that. We need to use in the particular application. This is the interfactor. Okay, next class we will see the mechanical grippers and its types. Thank you.